This week's video is about getting injured on a volleyball tournament while playing for your college. Now, if you watched the video from last week, you're probably thinking another video on assumption of risk, but not so fast. This one's actually different. This one deals with immunity that colleges get when it comes to excursions and field trips. And by the way, I guess people like when I stand in random spots, so this is the federal courthouse here. This case is Mary Anselmo versus Grossmont College. Mary travels to Grossmont to play in a volleyball tournament. Apparently, during one of the games, she makes a dive and her knee hits a rock that's been buried in the sand. Now, can we get those snowcats to go through the sand and clean up the rocks? See what I did there? Now you gotta watch the video I posted last week about snowcats. Otherwise, you are not gonna understand what I'm talking about. By the way, this is my office, this is where I work. The plaintiff sues the school for having a dangerous condition on public property. Now here's what the school says. They says that according to a California statute, apparently section 55-220 provides that anyone who participates in a field trip or an excursion and gets injured, gets sick, ill, or dies during that excursion waives their right to sue the school, and the school is completely immune to a lawsuit. I understand why they did that, right? The legislature probably wanted to encourage teachers to get their students out of the classroom and on the field trips, and to encourage that, they basically said the school is not going to get sued. So the Ninth Circuit is faced with a very narrow question. Does this immunity apply when a visiting team gets injured on the premises belonging to the team that's hosts the event? And the answer turns out to be pretty simple. The immunity does not apply. If Mary was gonna sue the school she was attending, the immunity would have applied. But in this situation, her own school took her on a field trip and they got her there safely. They got her to the tournament. Now, the host team and that school cannot take advantage of the immunity because they're not providing a field trip for Mary. So they can't say that they can't be sued just because the statute is on the books. Now, again, if I want to leave you with some tip, volleyball is a really fun game, but watch out for those rocks. And if you like this video, please click like, subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notifications when I post new videos. And thanks for watching.